Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tea and Nature. Today I will show you about Orthodox tea manufacturing process in Orthodox tea factory. This is the tea garden where the tea leaf is plucked for Orthodox manufacturing in Orthodox tea factory. For Orthodox tea manufacturing, we need very good quality tea leaves. That means we have to pluck the tea leaves between 5 to 6 days. The plucking round has to be maintained between 5 to 6 days so that we can pluck the tea leaf as a tulip and a bud. Like this. This is tulip and a bud. After plucking, the tea leaf is sent to factory for manufacturing. This is our factory. At first, in the factory, the green leaf is sprayed in weathering trough for about 8 to 16 hours according to weather and moisture content in the green leaf. For Orthodox tea manufacturing, we have to reduce the moisture from the green leaf about 40 to 45% on the weathering trough. After weathering the green leaf, the weathered leaf is sent to processing room for processing. In processing room, the weathered leaf is rolled for about 40 to 45 minutes on the rolling table. In Orthodox tea manufacturing, the weathered leaf is rolled twice generally. After first rolling, the processed leaf is sent to sifter for sifting. After sifting, the first fine is come from the sifter and the coarse leaf is sent to rolling table for second roll. After rolling and sifting twice, the first fine, second fine and coarse leaf is separately sent to fermenting room for fermentation. For Orthodox tea, 2 to 2.5 hours of fermentation is needed according to weather and room temperature. After fermentation, the nose is come out from the fermented processed tea leaves, and the color of fermented leaf is changed to coppery brown color. Then after fermentation, the fermented leaf is sent to dryer for drying. After drying for about 22 minutes of time, the dry mouth is come out from the dryer. This is Orthodox tea made. Now it's tasting time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please follow me for my next video. Till then, bye.